Welcome back, my friends, to another action-packed, exciting episode. It's either going to cook or it ain't. Today, we're going to make some lemon grapefruit aid. This is 1.5 cups of organic raw sugar, and I have 0-calorie Meyer brand stevia sweetener. I like mixing the two because when you eat something sweet, your body tells you that you ate something sweet and it pumps insulin in your system. And if you just have this sweetener in there, then the insulin isn't going to do anything for you but make your sugar drop more than you would like. So that's why I like mixing the two. An organic cane sugar is like the closest thing you can get to healthy sugar, I guess. But I like mixing this like 3 to 1. So this is 1.5 cups of organic cane sugar. So we're going to need 4.5 cups of this. This is the 1 cup. So this little container I got. Try 1, 2, and I'll put a little bit in here, making it mix easier. 2, 3, 4, and like that. That looks like a half. Close enough. And minus the stuff that fell on the counter. And just mixed it up. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Mixed up as good as it's going to mix up. And we need 1 cup to do. Oh, look at that. It's coming out mixed. Yeah. Oops. So basically 1 cup of this mixture, we'll set it aside, and we will start with start juicing our lemons and grapefruits. Clean the counter, so this is clean sugar. Alright. Here's one of the grapefruits. Here's an urn. It's kind of big for my juicer. But we'll have to do these by hand. Alright, let me get a knife. Yeah, I like this knife. Alright. adjust this camera a little. All right. There we go. Beautiful. All right, so we're gonna juice it into here. I'll try it this way. Ooh, look at that. That's some thick peelings there. Heave. All right. That's a lot of peeling on these. Okay. So that's one of the grapefruits. I'll show you how one of the lemons is going to get juiced with my gizmo. Then I'll do all the rest off camera. It's a big lemon. Oh yeah. That'll work good. All right. I will get the rest of it done and we'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Here's the juice that we got. And we're going to pour that into the picture. Pour our sugar mixture into the picture. And see what it looks like there. Alright. There. I know it's a fish spatula, but it's a good whisk as well. Let me see. Crank that. There we go. Mix that sugar in there. And we have some drinking water, purified. That's really hard to get for some reason now. Stevia doesn't like to dissolve real good. Takes a while. That's alright, because it's going to go back into the picture. What I like to do is pour some in the bowl too to get all the residue. Don't want to waste any of that goodness. Alright, let's fill this up. I'm going to have a little bit left over, and I'm going to take care of this, transfer this into another refrigerated pitcher of water, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. A little bit more mix. Transfer that into here. Get all them chunks of stevia in there. I like it in the pitcher, in the jug, because the jug's got a cap. Help keep it fresher longer. There we go. Now we can give that a good shake. There you have it. Low calorie, high vitamin C. Very delicious. Let's fill this up. The other container. Delicious, nutritious. Scrumptious. All right. Gonna give it the taste test. Make sure it's all right. Oh yeah, that's real good. Excellent. Well, that concludes today's episode. It's either in the cooker or it ain't. That was a great success. Make sure to tune in to the next exciting episode. It's either going to cook or it ain't, to see what we're going to do with this pile of stuff. Be very interesting. All right, until then, it was great hanging out with you. We'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe. Give me a like. Give me a dislike. Make sure to comment. Tell me you didn't like it. Tell me you liked it. Your hopes, your dreams, your thoughts. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.